Hey, my name's Eric. Welcome to the channel, and today on my this video I'm going to show you how to find this all-in-one indicator that I've shown on other videos, but I'm doing a different version here, an update for those that are new or just looking for a really good indicator that gets really good results here. And so I'm going to show you where to find this on a free version of TradingView. And I'm going to show you a subchart that I feel is better than MACD. People like MACD. MACD's good to use with this, but I've found one that's better. I'm going to show you that, where to find it. And 3, I'm going to show you, if you stay towards the end of the video or just fast forward, I'm going to show you where the TradingView screener is and what inputs to put in for that to find where this will get kind of close. It's you'll get kind of close where this buy is going to show up. You just have to put in an alert. And I'll show you how to do that. It takes 2 minutes. This is something that when you're searching for stocks, at the end of the day, you're ready to, you got all this millions and millions of dollars, you want to trade in stocks, trying to be funny, and you search your screener and it pops up, and this will make it easier, so it sends you an alert to your email to say, hey, this might be a stock I'm interested in to get in on. So of course all this is for educational purposes. None of this is any trading stock or financial advice. And we're all paper trading here, folks. So let's get going here. So this is such a nice indicator. I'll show you where to find it. I'll delete it. Hopefully it comes up. You just go to indicators here on the TradingView chart, and we type in SMA. We type in 9, and it'll pop up. It's this one. It's pretty popular. 9, 51, 80, 20. I buy this in Phillips, and we just click on that. It pops up. Real nice. There's almost too much stuff on here. You really don't need this one green red line. So you can go to settings over here, and it's right here, the buy sell chart line. You can just, I prefer it off. If you like to keep it, you can keep it, but you really don't need it. So nice. You've got 1, 2, 3, 4. You got 4 lines and a buy and sell. You got the SMA 200. You got, it is white. 50 is SMA blue. Yellow is the EMA 20, and the 9 SMA 9 is the red line. So what is a complementary one with? I think the best one is, let's see, RSI is probably the best, or you can try MACD. Just hit that one, and your strategy would be, if this purple line is above 50, I like the 2 options that gives you above 50, you're kind of in a bull market, or if it's crossing the yellow line, as you can see, it kind of coincides. So let's see how this would do. We're in VOO. The ETF falls the S&P 500 fund. Let's see how it does if we started in August. So we sit buy here. So we won 3%. Nice. 1 win in a row. Buy, sell, 4%. Nice. Buy, sell. So 3%, almost 3%. Nice. And a buy, sell. Nice. And if you're following along, it's December 27th, I believe. Look, there's a buy. It's kind of gone down. Maybe you don't want to do that one. Maybe you do, but I don't know. So you're saying, oh, that's nice for this one. Well, I'll just go down. Let's do crypto. I got Bitcoin. Come on, Bitcoin. Here we go. We'll do it again. We'll go back to September because we got a buy, sell. Oh, 10%. That's nice. We got one buy. We lost finally 4%, but I would have been looking at this RSI chart, and it's going down. It's clearly showing a bear market. I wouldn't have got in on that trade. That's why you have a subchart to kind of check things. You can tell by the subchart it's a bear market. So we wouldn't have lost. So we come here, buy. It's going up again. We made a 5%, another win. Here, buy, sell, 23%. Of course, we've got a nice bull market with Bitcoin now here in December, at the end of December, and another buy, sell. Ooh, it's still made 2.7%. All right. So how do we find these? We just simply go to screener. You will have to go to a different page, the front of TradingView. And we just click on products, screeners, stocks. Here we go. And we got to make some modifications. So we'll go to the plus sign here. And we'll type in SMA. Simple moving average. We're not going to do that. We're going to go SMA. Sorry, I'm confusing. 9. We'll do this first and add that. Now we'll go back. And we'll do above price. And then we will modify this in manual setup. I'll do above a percentage price. That's what I want there. And I'll hit apply. There we go. Now we're looking better. We got that, and now I'll do SMA again. And I want 200. Add the filter, but I want to change it to, so I'll click on it again, and I want it to be below. And here we go. A lot of stocks. You could manipulate this so it gets less. You can just check the high volume ones. We'll click on Microsoft just to see how we did. And you'll have to do this because it's not gonna give you a buy. See this sell? So the buy is probably coming up. So what I would do, I wouldn't do this one. You're like, you're confusing me. Maybe click on, we got Google. Let's see what Google's doing. In Google, we got a buy there. We got a buy, it kind of went down. So this is worth one looking at. I wouldn't do it just to look on the RSI. Meta. Sometimes you got, here's a good one because it's getting a pullback. It's about to, so the buy sell would come up here. So you got this little plus sign. I'm going to try to get this bigger for you. Here we go. So perfect situation here. There's pullback, so you know that eventually there's going to be a buy kind of soon. So you just come up here to the 9, put it above the 9, and just hit the plus sign, so then it will let you know. Or you can put it just right at or just above, hit the plus sign. And you would just add the alert, so it just sends it to you in your email. So there's one that you can put on, so it will alert you when it's about to be a buy sign or a sell sign. So that's how you find that. That's one way you could do it. There is another way through the screeners. You can add this, you can add RSI. And you can do this as well. We're just going to add and we'll modify manual setup. And it's going to cross up. $50, just to give you kind of a baseline. And you'll see that that's a little bit. It's okay. We'll make it a little closer. It's about to cross here, almost. it's crossing up just above the 50, so you could use this just for generic trading. You can see we're almost, it looks like we're coming into a bullish market here too, and it looks like that could be, you'd add this to your list, and you could put in plus, I'd put alert here, bing, and alert your email so that you can look at this again as there's a pullback and a buy signal could be coming. So we're going to end it like that. I hope you found any or some of this information useful or helpful. And as always, if you found any of this useful, do me a favor and hit the like and subscribe button. It's greatly appreciated. Other than that, I will see you on the next video.